All right, so what's your biggest red flag in dating?
Honestly, if they're still hung up on their ex, that's a deal breaker for me.
What's a red flag that you would not tolerate?
If he's following a bunch of Instagram models, that's a red flag. Friends.
What's a major red flag in someone you're dating right now? Like NONs, zero? It's a main flag.
Let this be a reminder that the cost of living crisis is because a lot of y'all didn't want to go on coffee dates or a walk in the park.
What going on, shoddy? Tap in with a real one, ya feel me?
Am I really the only one working this hard and still can't pay my bills? Is there any guy willing to help me with my bills?
So the jury has reached a verdict in the case against the celebrity, which also involves their former partner and some notable figures.
Take that, take that, take that.
Go win.